journey. 2 hours will be more. Plain road వెళ్తాది. Plain road में जाएंगे. After 2 hours will be coming zigzag road.
ఓకే
Zigzag road. ये road?
జిగ్జాగ్.
అదే right. Zigzag road. Means we are going up. పైకి వెళ్తామండి. ऊपर जाएंगे. Right now we are in the 18 feet above mean sea level. 18 అడుగుల్లో ఉన్నాము సముద్ర మట్టం నుండి. ఎన్ని అడుగులు? 18 feet above mean sea level. We are going now 3700 feet above mean sea level. 3700 ऊपर जाएंगे. 3700 feet ऊपर जाएंगे. That name is गालीकोंडा. क्या नाम है? गालीकोंडा. अनाकोंडा नहीं है, गालीकोंडा. Okay, गालीकोंडा. And also, first of all, I show you Anandagiri coffee plantation. Coffee plantation. 9,000 acres. We have traveled that coffee plantation area 10 kilometers. That's kilometer travel.
బాగా అది బాగా చల్లగా వస్తుంది.
10 kilometers travel చేస్తారు 10 kilometers.
ముందు నుంచి ముందు అద్దం ఉంది చూడు. కటన్ తీస్తే గ్లాస్.
After drive museum, back to Patnapuram Botanical Garden. Then lunch break. Lunch and tourism resort. Resort name is Harita Valley. After lunch, we are touring for you. Tribal dance.
కటన్ తీసుకో ఇంకా.
Tribal dance. Dance name is Dimsa. What dance?
హింస.
Dimsa dance. Dimsa, not a himsa. Dimsa dance. After Dimsa dance, back to Bora Caves. What caves?
బొరా కేవ్స్.
Bora Guharu. Bora Caves. After Bora Caves, back to tourism resort for Jungle Bell, tea and snack break. After tea and snack, back to Vizag, night 8:30, 9 o'clock. This is the tour schedule. And also, everything including entry ticket, food, already including. But 2 places. One is a Patnapuram garden, second one is a museum. That entry ticket exploding. आप पैसा देना पड़ेगा. समझ गया? Garden 100 rupees adult, child 50 rupees. Museum 60 rupees adult, child 30 rupees. That is exploding ticket. Remaining including package everything. समझ गया? And also Araku में famous 2 things. One is a coffee powder, second one is a bamboo chicken.
Bamboo chicken included in the food?
Bamboo chicken. Bamboo नहीं है, bamboo. ये दिल कर रहा. Bamboo में ये chicken मसाला ऐसा करके ये chicken without oil, without water. ये chicken bamboo wood में रख के आग से फ्राई करेंगे. bamboo wood में बैठी खाली कर माटा. That is the famous Maraku. Not a free नहीं है. You have to pay. Suppose you want to taste bamboo chicken, you have to pay.
That is not included in the package.
No, it is package. I tell you so, madam. That's it. And 250 gram chicken, bamboo chicken, 150 rupees. 150 rupees, 150. And half kilo, 300 like that. That is yours. Suppose you want to taste, you have to give order me. I will tell them. Okay, that is bamboo chicken. And also, Araku. Main thing is whatever you want. Araku is a total area, tribal area. There is a 30 per square kilometer. Total area 1 lakh people in that area. 1 lakh. There are 15 kinds of the tribal people like Toya, Kondadora, Valmiki, Gataba, Birja, Koidara, like that. Before 1949, there is no recognized government. Under central government control Araku. Then central government supplied the vigilance for the soldier of Second World War. Then garden, then total Araku control of state government, central government. Right now it is a state government, Araku control. State government and Andhra Pradesh, Odisha border also. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha border. The people know Telugu, Odia, Hindi and tribal language also. From Araku to 8 kilometers back, so we want to go, you will get the Odisha border. Odisha there is a Koraput district will come. Koraput Jilla. उसके बाद छत्तीसगढ़ स्टेट आते हैं. छत्तीसगढ़ राष्ट्र. छत्तीसगढ़ there is a Jagadalpur district. Okay, right. And also 2 hours will be more. You can take rest. After 2 hours will be coming. I tell you later. తర్వాత చెప్తాను. And also మనకి పిల్లలు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే అల్లరి చేస్తారు అనుకోండి, అక్కడ కోతులు ఉంటాయి. కోతుల దగ్గర వదిలేయడమే, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కదా. రైట్ రైట్ చూసుకోండి మరి జాగ్రత్తగా. మీరు మిమ్మల్ని ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అండి. ముందు పడేసుకుంటారు, ముందు పడేసుకుంటారు. ఎస్ అది మేడం. ఓకే. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ గోస్ బై ట్రైన్, ట్రైన్లో వెళ్తే ఏం చేయాలి? ఇఫ్ యూ గోస్ బై ట్రైన్ విల్ గెట్ 52 టనల్స్. 52 సొరంగాలు చేస్తున్న ట్రైన్. నౌ देयर इज नो टनल. वन टनल वी कैन गेट इट. ఒక టనల్ చూస్తాం. एक टनल देख सकते हैं. मैं बताएंगे. समझा? राइट. टेक रेस्ट whatever you want. Suppose you want to washroom, you want to take medicine, I will stop the bus. మీకు ఎక్కడైనా వాష్రూమ్ కానీ మెడికల్ షాప్ కానీ ఆపమంటే ఆపుతారు. रुकेगा तो रुकेगा. समझ गया? मैं इधर रहूँगा शाम तक. ఈవినింగ్ तक मैं रहूँगा सर. मेरा नाम నా పేరు
శ్రీనివాస్.
శ్రీనివాసులు.
శ్రీనివాస్.
क्या सर? Thank you very much everybody. Thank you very much. I will tell you later.
अच्छा, ये बॉस को रेल का ऊपर ले सकता है?
हाँ?
ये बॉस को रेल ट्रैक में ले सकता है?
हाँ ले सकते हैं.